there are a number of reasons why you should connect your domain to Cloudflare before connecting it to Vercel. So today's video, I just want to show you this client's project, and I'm going to show you how you can connect from GoDaddy to Cloudflare, then to Vercel. And I have a blog here. If you can go to casterdev.com and you go to blogs, this is the one, and it says why I route every client domain through Cloudflare before Vercel. So there are a number of steps, and they are the ones which we are going to look at in this video. And these are some of the reasons why it's better. And reason number one, it's secure. Bad traffic gets filtered out before reaching your app. So Cloudflare has that ability to filter out the traffic. Reason number two, it's faster for visitors. Remember, Cloudflare has a number of servers all over the world. So if a client is abroad or anywhere, they can just reach your site. It's free protection. We shall look at this where we are saying it's free. Remember, most of these services, the security services, are paid for. The client stays in control. For example, if a client bought the domain from GoDaddy and they route it to Cloudflare, they will still remain with those abilities and they can just use everything as before. It scales with the project. For example, you can add in more services, more and more. So there are a number of reasons why you should connect to Cloudflare, but I just picked out a few. And if we are to dive in, let's dive in now. So this is the domain from GoDaddy, and you can see Mozart Productions. So my client bought this domain from GoDaddy. So your domain can be from Namecheap, Spaceship, and that is okay. You can also connect it to Cloudflare. So if you can come here, we are going to connect this domain on Cloudflare. So this is Cloudflare. For those of you who don't know Cloudflare, it has a number of services. You can also buy a domain from Cloudflare. So mozartproductions.com, and you just head down here, click continue. So this is the free plan we talked about, a free tier. Can select free. It's taking. So when it's loading like this, it's getting the DNS records from where your domain is, and after it will take you here. So you can see these are the ones we have, and to start afresh we can just delete them. So you can see we are left with none. Okay, and that is very nice, whereby if you can get rid of any and we start afresh. So you can see right now we are going to connect like our domain, going to connect these name servers to GoDaddy where we bought our domain, and these are just the steps. Log into your DNS provider. It can be Spaceship, it can be Namecheap, it can be GoDaddy, anywhere you bought the domain. So they say replace your current name servers with Cloudflare name servers. So you're going to just go here to where we bought the domain. So we're going to look for where we have name servers. So you can first start with checking the DNS. Now we can go to here, name servers. Can just this. So these are the ones we have right now. So I can just come here to change name servers, GoDaddy. So I can just go here to I will use mine, and from there I can just come and pick up mine. I've copied one, paste it there. Then I copy this one. I also paste it here. So I click save. So this takes a few. So I can just click continue, and you can see here success. So once that is done, we can also come here to this one. Now since we are done with this also, I expect this one to be. So if I refresh, so these things are done automatically. So if it's done, you can see here they are saying waiting for a registrar to propagate your new name servers. It takes some time, just a few minutes. So you can just keep on refreshing. So it just takes, remember here everything was success. So once this one is done, we shall just continue with connecting the domain here to Vercel, but this time around it will be coming from what? From Cloudflare. So it takes some time, but not too much time. We are going to wait for it a bit, and once it's done, I'll come back and we connect our domain to Vercel. So after waiting for some time, I came to realize that we had missed some letters in the domain. So when you come back here to GoDaddy, you can see that the domain is mozartsproductions.com and ours was mozartproductions.com. So I added the S and it propagated very well. You can see your domain is now protected by Cloudflare. So these are some of the advantages of using Cloudflare. As I told you, your web traffic is proxying through Cloudflare, meaning your website or uploads faster with caching, speed, and traffic, and all these others. So let us just connect our domain to where we hosted, and just come here to DNS records. So when you go back to Vercel, you can see that the application is here still on Vercel. But when we come back here, or when we go here, manage domains, you can just come and add existing one. So we can just say Mozart. So it's mozartsproductions.com. And if we go back and just say add, so the domain is added. We're going to do what we normally do. So we are going to start adding the DNS records. So we are starting with the type CNAME. So we add a record to Cloudflare, and the type will be CNAME. And here we shall use the art. So we can just copy the value, and here on Cloudflare it's the target. So I can just paste it there. So when we save, that one is added successfully. So sometimes automatically, Vercel. So we are going to disable this one. Let us first add this. So we copy the value, and when we go back, we shall add, and its CNAME. The value is that. Sorry, the name and the value. We shall add that. So we can save. And when we go back here, we expect when we refresh, okay. So let us just go back and we disable proxy. Okay, so when we come back to edit, you can just go here and we disable this one. Okay, so we expect everything to be connected successfully. Okay, so this is it's connected successfully. So when we go to Mozart Productions, you can see that our domain is connected successfully. So thank you guys, and I would like to end here. For those who want to get the blogs and get to look at this website, I'll make another video taking you through this website and what it's all about. So thank you guys. We meet next time.